Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a deaf teen whose ambitions outweigh his challenges. Kian Morgan has more.
For Orlando Grant, a 16-year-old from Linston, St. Catherine, the sky's the limit. It's the wind propelling his dream of becoming a pilot.
The first time you see a plane, how you feel? I feel fine. But I want to see it. I want to taste it. I want to feel it.
But unfortunately, his aspirations do not align with his reality, as Rolando was born deaf.
Sometimes I say I want to be a soldier too, but I always say, oh, you go here when the bad man them a fire shot. Oh, you go here. I say, mother, we can't see. I say, no, you have to hear. And I say, well, I always want to be a pilot. I can see where the plane is going. So I said, no, you can be anything you want to be, but the pilot also, you have to hear what they are saying in the plane. So I always say, what me I go do as a deaf person?
Anna K. Williams is Rolando's mother and interpreter. She describes him as comical, adding that he loves farming and playing football. However, Rolando has been out of school for the last 2 years because he has no birth certificate. This, she admits, further stifles his ambitions.
Sometimes I give him book work. I'll give him things on the laptop to do, and he will try to go over. Sometimes it gets really hard. He must not really understand this math again because he's not in school where somebody can explain it more.
The unemployed single parent says currently she's a caregiver for 4 of her 5 children, as well as her deaf brother and an abandoned child.
I have 2 other child that's hard of hearing but can go to regular schools. But because I'm here in St. Catherine, it's hard for me to send them to Kingston to school.
Ms. Williams says that she would often do odd jobs to stay afloat.
If I get a call like for sewing a hair, I'll go. I used to teach the little basic science at schools.
Despite her shortcomings, she continues to motivate her son.
You can't just give up like that. So if you want to be a pilot, you continue push him. You don't know what may happen.
With a ray of hope, I am Kian Morgan.